my numbness, tingling, and electric shock-like pain from my pinched nerve was tremendously improved. With heating element that make me feel deep soothing and relaxing massage from neck to my upper back down to lower part was gently massaged. After 5 sessions of 45 minutes on bed, I got a better sleep from my pinched nerve. It might be a toxin release through sweating, my numbness, tingling, and electric shock-like pain from my pinched nerve was tremendously improved. For me, heat was a gift of healing, a total health package for everyone, and the best house bed massage is amazingly, absolutely free. Yes, you heard it right. It's free of charge. Just bring your own blanket to pieces and a pair of socks. Kadudong on board. They're on board. How to find bed massage in your place. On your browser, type in "and for bed" or Nuga Best. Thank you for watching. I hope it did help you a lot. Please don't forget to like and share to help others. For more updates, just click subscribe button below and notification bell.